For creating an Artlantis object, you'll need a 3D model. You can build it in any modeler or download it from various resources. ArchiCAD, SketchUp, Revit, and Vectorworks have dedicated plugins to export the Artlantis native file format directly. Besides, Artlantis can import DXF, DWG, OBJ, 3ds, FBX, or SKP files. Import your 3D model in Artlantis. Make sure to enter the right scale factor. This example is a desk lamp downloaded from the SketchUp 3D warehouse. Apply a shader to your object and adjust its settings. You may want to assign a different shader on a particular portion of the object. Use the Reeffect material tool for this. Click its button on top of the material list. Choose the selection type: triangles, planes, parallel planes, objects, material, or use the object wizard. Select your new surface segments. Keep in mind that this section is irreversible. Once validated, a new entry appears in the Scene Materials list. Double-click to rename it. Now you can apply a new shader to the lampstand. Switch to the Perspectives inspector to assign a light group to the current view. Afterward, go to the Light inspector and add the light source to your object with the help of the 2D window. Adjust the size, position, and anchor point of the object in the Scene Information palette. Hit the Quick Anchor Point Setup button to reset the anchor point. Artlantis will capture the preview the moment you start the export to generate the object's thumbnail in the catalog. Therefore, to prepare a beautiful thumbnail image, make sure to adjust your view and set the image proportions to a square. When ready, click the Save As command and choose the Artlantis Object Document option. To ensure you have access to your custom objects, save them to a dedicated folder. Enter the path of the destination folder, set Light as the object type, and choose the light group of your object. Define the way the object will behave related to its support. Load the folder of the custom object in the corresponding subcategory of your Artlantis media catalog. Your freshly created item will appear in the object list. Now you can drag and drop the object right into the scene just like any other Artlantis objects. You can move, resize, rotate it, and edit the artificial light source saved in the Light inspector. If the anchor point is not in the right position, open the 2D view and drag the blue anchor point by pressing the D button on the keyboard. Now it's your turn to create your own Artlantis object.